This is a security camera. This is the SC220 from Victure. It costs round about £16 to buy, and I'll stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And it's designed to be used indoors, not outdoors. Although you could stick it on a windowsill so it's looking outside. You could do it like that. But it's designed to be used indoors. Say if you want to keep an eye on a baby or your children, or just keep an eye on a room, you might be interested in something like this. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a quick look around the box, do the unboxing, see what exactly you get for your money, honey, and do an installation and a review. So with that, shall we get on with it? Right, let's have a quick look around the box then. So it tells you the name of the company, tells you the model number, says home security, and some sort of image on the front. Can't really see it very clear, but that's how they've done it. Home security on the side, model number on that side, and some information on the bottom. So it's a 1920 by 1080p, 120 wide angle lens, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and that will probably be only 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Two-way audio, so that means you can hear the other person talking the other side, and you can talk to them at the same time. So ideal if you want to talk to someone in another room, but you don't want to keep going in there. Motion detection, and ISO and Android software, and their address. So that's basically it. So just a bit of black and a bit of red print on a white box. So let's do the unboxing, see what's inside. Steps to get you a gift. So that would be like a thank you thing, you know, doing a survey of some sort. English and different languages, blah blah blah. This would be like your thank you thing. Dear Mr. and Mrs. Yep. So yeah, very nice. This would be the installation user manual. I've got different languages. Yeah, got different languages. English, Dutch, French, Italian, Spanish. Oh yeah, loads of different languages. So it shouldn't be too much information. Shows you what you're getting for your money, honey. Yeah, we'll have a look at that later, or I will anyway. And the camera itself, let's get the camera out first. Oh, so quite nice looking. So there's your lens. Yeah. Oh, and that does move, by the way, look. That swivels. So that's motorised. So it's got a little sensor on the front by looking at it. Got a speaker on the back. Takes a USB charger by looking at that. And a network. Yeah, very nice. So you can network it or do it wireless, I believe, through Wi-Fi. What's in it? This would be a USB charging lead, I would have thought. Easiest way to undo it? I've no idea. From the side. Yep. Oh, loads of little bits. I'm not sure what that is. Might be some sort of mounting bracket. Yeah, there you go, that's some sort of bracket. So it looks like it can go on a tripod, so that's really good. Or you can have it set on, oh I see, so that you can bolt it to something like a wall or ceiling or, yeah, okay, that makes sense. See, you can lock it up, so you can fix it to anything you like. Very good. What else do you get? Your USB, which I said earlier, so that's a USB for charging it up. Standard white one, it's probably about a metre, maybe a little bit more. Anything else in there? And that's about, oh, hang on, and the plug. So there's a plug for your UK market, so that'll probably just pull out, there you go. Plug it into your socket. USB charging. So I would have thought you can either just charge it or leave it plugged in. I'm not sure. Obviously, I'd have to read it. That's a memory card slot by looking at that. So that's very good. I'm only guessing, but it might be a memory card slot. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set it all up, because that's basically everything you get. So you've got some sort of mounting bracket, USB charger, plug, the actual device itself, and some instructions and couple of thank you cards. So like I said, I'm going to set it all up. Oh, hang on, some bits missing. I'll shut up. So it comes with, that's like a reset pin, I would have thought. So it comes with some screws and 4 plugs for mounting it on a wall or somewhere. That's very good actually. So you get all that for £16. That's not too bad, is it? Right, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to read the manual and set her up, see how easy it is to set up, and give it a test. Right, first things first, you need to download a program called Digicam, and you can do that through Google Play or the App Store. And just type in Digicam, all one word, that's all I've done. Found it, it was the first one that came up, downloaded it, I've installed it, I've registered with it. You have to register, and once you've done that, you're ready to go. So what it says, what you need to do next is plug in the power socket, which is this little baby here, and let it do its business. Give it a few seconds to set itself up. It's spooky. So once it's finished doing its business, rotating and setting itself up so it's in the right position, which it is now, press the reset button for 3 seconds and wait until indicator light flashes red. So at the moment, that looks like an orange, perhaps that is a red. So there's a reset button there, so that's what you need the little pin for. So we're going to do that anyway. So for 3 seconds, hold that in. And that's definitely red, but it's not flashing. So that was more than 3 seconds. For at least 3 seconds, that's gone green. Oops. Right, that's flashing red. Now we should be able to connect it. So there's a plus up there. I have heard a double beep. Connect to Wi-Fi. Are you sure you wish to connect a non-password protected Wi-Fi? Oh, good luck on that one. Oh, hang on, let's go back. Right, let's add. Double thing. Got to put in my password, so give me a second. So put in my password. Connect to Wi-Fi. Oh.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Oh, that's clever.
Wi-Fi is connected.
Wow.
Pairing is successful. You can start using your camera now.
It's done. Start using. Well, that's not my house. That's for sure. I wish it was. So camera. Cameras. Now what do I do? Do I just go back? Alerts. Don't know that. Profiles. Cloud. Alerts. Camera. I don't want to exit. Oh, hang on. Oh, it's working. It works. Well, that was easy. Right, I'm just going to sit it there so it's facing my keyboard, as you can see. Now then, what can we do? Can we rotate? Tap here to view camera settings. Okay. You can view playback timeline below and lap time anywhere. Okay. Purchase pinch. Oh, sorry, pinch. Oh, I see. To zoom. Okay. Panorama view. Tap to. Wow. Look at that baby go. That's clever. Very good. Video. It's recording. Full screen. Allow. Hello. Oh, it works. Hello. Testing, testing. Can you hear that? Hang on. Testing, testing. Yes. That's really easy to set up. And you can take photos. Okay, let's do video. Doing video. So that's recording to my phone. Turn that off. What's that do? Right, it pans up and down. That's really clever. Let's have a quick look. Oh, it's back. Oops, turning the base. That's really smart. I quite like it. I'm quite impressed. Let's see how bright it is though. It looks quite dark. But then it's got a lot of light in, so it might be because of the room it's in. Point to the ceiling. It's my camera gear. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in another room, see what happens. Ah, there you go. It's in the kitchen. It's in my kitchen. See that? It's full screen. So it's nice and clear. It's really good. And you can talk. You can do video. You can do photos on auto, SD, HD. I haven't got an SD card plugged in yet, so I can't use the SD card. Let's see if we can do rotation. Oh yes, that's clever. So that's in my kitchen. You can see I've moved my computer chair out of my room to give me a bit more room for filming. Scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. Right, let's stop that there. Bring her up a bit. There you go. Down a bit. It said about pinching. So scrolling out. And you can scroll in. Let's go full screen. Wow, that's really good. Nice and clear. I'm quite impressed. Easy to set up. What's that do? Speaker. It's on auto. Okay, done that already. Cruise. What's that do? Press that. Dunno. Oh, I see. Oh no, no. Alerts. Motion detection. On. Let's see if it works. It does, it works. That's very good. Quite scary. That is really good. I am very impressed with that. For the amount you pay, 16 quid, that is really good. Right, so what do you think then? Let me know in the comments what you think. I think it's excellent. For £16, I think it's well worth the money. It's not the highest quality of video in the world. Don't forget it's 1080, I believe. It's not going to be the highest quality. You're only paying £16, so don't expect it to be fantastic 4K picture, because it's not going to happen. But you do get a lot for your money. Not only do you get a camera, it's got built-in networks. You can connect a network cable to it, so you can transfer all the video to somewhere else or to a cloud or something like that. It has all that. I've actually put an SD card in there. I put a 32GB SD card in there, and it recognises it straight away. I formatted it. It didn't even have to format it. It didn't say you had to format it, but I formatted it anyway. It's definitely, I've got it on motion tracking at the moment, so it will follow me. But you can turn that off if you don't like that sort of thing, and you can just have it set on one position all the time. You also come with a gimbal, so basically you can move it yourself if you want. You can have it, I've got it set on cruise at the moment, but you can switch over easily to gimbal, which I thought was really good. You can set it up so it sends you an alert, so if you have it in a room, and say you're monitoring your baby and you're watching TV, it will send you an alert saying baby's just woke up. Or actually, we send you a video so you can actually see what's going on with the baby or anything in a room whatsoever. So it definitely gets my thumbs up. I'm well impressed. For £16, like I said, not a lot of money. I think you're getting a lot of gear. You're getting the hardware plus the software, and there's a lot on this software that you can do with it. Like I said, you can upload to the cloud, you can load the video to the SD card, which is what I'm doing right now. You can take photos. You don't have to do video, but it will take photos. There's a button there you can just press and it will take a photo for you. Yeah, very impressed. Definitely gets my thumbs up, like I said, and hopefully this video will get your thumbs up. If it didn't, give me the thumbs down and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.